Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to move a row or column in Excel. If we want to reorganize our data without breaking formulas or messing up our sheet, this is for us. On our Microsoft Excel sheet, to move a row or column, all we need to do is highlight the row or column we want to move. Once we have it highlighted, we hold the Shift key on our keyboard, then hover the mouse to the edge of where we want to place it. For example, let's move it here. As we can see, it swaps into place. We can move it to any other position the same way. Just highlight the row, hold the Shift key, and then drag it to the new position. As we can see, the rows swap cleanly. If we want to do it again, all we need to do is hold the Shift key and drag the row or column to wherever we want to place our data. This method lets us safely move rows and columns in Excel using a simple drag and drop technique. And that's it. Now we know how to move a row or column in Excel.